Simple and healthy salmon with a pistachio crumb. Check it out.
Alright, let's start by taking 150 grams of pistachios and combining that with 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, the zest and juice of 1 lemon, alongside 1 tablespoon of honey. We're then going to add our breadcrumbs and then season generously with dill, salt and black pepper. Mix that all together until it forms a beautiful crust, and this is what we're going to use to top off our beautiful salmon. Once it looks like this, we're ready to apply to our salmon. Take your salmon fillets, lay them down on an oiled tray, and then we're going to top these off with our beautiful pistachio mixture. Once covered, press down gently and then you're ready to bake. Into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for around 12 to 14 minutes until they're beautifully juicy and tender inside. To plate this, I lay mine down on a bed of quinoa and then I top it off with some fresh yogurt and some baby cress. A super healthy, delicious and light refreshing meal. Amazing for the New Year diet. Stay tuned for more recipes. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.